Welcome to the Prime Mindset Academy. We're here to teach you how to really think differently.
So what's the secret? Well, it's not just about being smart. It's having the right mental frameworks. First up, you gotta know what game you're playing. See, life isn't chess, it's poker. In chess, you see everything. But poker? That's all about uncertainty and luck. You have to embrace it.
Next, great thinkers don't just have one tool. They build a whole collection of mental models. Models like inversion and first principles thinking literally give you new ways to see a problem.
But even the absolute best strategy is useless if you lose control of your emotions under pressure. Take this gymnast. Her training was solid, but it was her uncontrolled emotional state that failed her. The good news? You can regain control. This simple breathing technique instantly calms your stress response.
Okay, your training starts now. To get better, you have to understand how you make decisions.
So, start a decision journal, just a simple log of your choices and what you expect to happen.
This is how you start to see your own patterns. Your journey to a prime mindset has begun.